If the red light is not in the center, now we show the steps to adjust it. First step, you can see it is in 0. Now, we need to remove the nozzle. Then find the step. Put the step on it, just like this. Okay, you can see the red light pointer is not in the center. So now we try to adjust it. On the display, find the check. You can see there are 4 directions to adjust it. Now we try to adjust it.
我们调的时候把这个地方拍上，让他看到这个东西在动。
You can see the red pointer is moving. Stop until the red pointer in the center. Then stop. Now it's okay.